everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm trying a viral TikTok hack to get heatless curls using just socks. Let's see if this works. So step 1, prepping the hair. First, I'm going to part my hair into two sections. Then I'm spraying a little water because your hair needs to be slightly damp for this to work. Next, take a sock and hold the closed end in your mouth. Stretch it upward, twist your hair and wrap it tightly around the sock. Once it's all wrapped, fold the open end over to keep it secure. Done. I'll repeat the same thing on the other side. To make sure the socks don't move while I sleep, I'm putting on a cap. Now I'm gonna let this set for 6 hours, so stay tuned for the final reveal. Alright guys, it's been 6 hours. I actually managed to sleep and now I'm so excited to see the results. So step 1, removing the socks. Okay, taking this side off first. Wow, this is so cool. This hack is definitely a win. Let me know in the comments how my curls turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.